my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet braid tutorial. Thank you so much to Wodun Hair for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, what do we think of this style? I absolutely love it. This is really similar to a style that I posted not long ago, but I love these because, girl, it's crochet for one, and for two, the curly pieces are already mixed into the dread. So like you have one here that doesn't have anything on it, but then you can see you have other ones here, let me see, that have the curly pieces. Oh my gosh, now I can't find any just because I want to show y'all. Here we go. That have the curly pieces attached to it. So it's literally already in here. Like, this is just one. So I absolutely love that. It makes it super duper easy to install, very quick. I absolutely love this style. So let's go ahead and jump right into the installation. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start off this tutorial with my hair already braided down. Of course, I have 14 cornrows going straight back. You can definitely do 12. 12 would be the perfect amount. I just have really thick hair and I needed to do some wig reviews before this, which is why I had 14, but 12 would be perfect. For this style, you're also gonna need a beater or a latch hook. I personally like to use a beater because it doesn't snag the hair and it just works so much better for me. With your beater, you're gonna take it and just put it directly under the braid. You're gonna insert the lock and then you're just gonna pull it through the hole. It's super easy to do. You literally only need to pull it through one time, no extra knotting. I promise you it is not going to come out. As far as spacing for these, I did 2 finger widths apart. You do not want to bunch these up all together in your head. It is going to make the style very heavy as well as very bulky. You can always go back in after you're completely done and add in a few extra locks where you feel like you need them, but definitely go ahead and space it out first. As far as the number of packs I used, I believe in that bag that I got, you get 6 like individual packs, and I believe each pack had about 20 locks. So to me, that was quite a lot. I was actually concerned that I was going to run out of locks, so I ended up getting a second bag. So I basically used one whole bag, which I believe was 6 individual bags plus about half of another bag. But I honestly believe this is only because I had 14 cornrows. If you do 12, you'll definitely have enough. I could have gone in the back and tried to like re-space them out and take a few of those locks and just move them up to the front. But since I had the extra bag, I went ahead and used it. As far as the weight of this style, it is actually very light, which I'm really surprised about. I mean, obviously you can tell you have hair in your head, but it's not heavy at all. And you guys know I have a problem with weight for certain styles, so I was super excited that this was not a heavy style. I absolutely love how this came out. It's like I said, it's lightweight. I added in a few charms just for a little razzle dazzle, girl. Laid down my edges, and like I said, one bag of the pack of 6 will definitely be enough. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this is the color 1B. Okay guys, so hopefully that tutorial was helpful. You guys know, if you've been to my channel before, girl, installing crochet is so easy. You should literally be a pro at it now, like at this point, girl, if you've been following me. Okay, so yes, that is gonna be it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this style. Of course, everything's gonna be linked in the description box for you so that you guys can shop this hair. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up, turn post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!